be rating them on their overall. Why do I say that? You know how hard this is? You can't just laugh behind it. Can't even start. And we'll be rating them according to their price, seasoning, location of outlets. No, I'll do it properly. And we'll be rating them according to their price, seasoning, location of outlets, and overall flavour. I can do that, but I just can't do it without this. Today we have... At the end of the month, we are giving a mobile phone to one lucky subscriber. At the end of the... Okay, that was... No, okay, like, dab, like, dab, like, dab. Oh, I'm done. I just barfed in my mouth. You know how you vomit? Which one's a porter? There's like 2 left.
It's not going to have the price, dude.
It will have the price. Get them while they're hot. Our legendary super tasty French fries are the perfect side to any meal. We only use the highest quality potatoes to create those delicious strands of crispy fluffiness that you love. Now fried in a superior and healthier blend including canola and sunflower oils, available after 10:30 at the participating restaurants. Today we have Macca's from Macca's. Oh. Dab with me. Dab with me. Dab with me. Please leave a like. Dab. Like. Dab. Like. Dab. You just like snort everywhere. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.
It's down, dude.
Subscribe.